In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers in Adobe Express. If you've ever placed text on top of an image or stacked graphics to build a design, you've already worked with layers. In Adobe Express, layering is managed through the Arrange controls, which let you decide what appears in front and what sits behind, so your composition looks exactly the way you intend. Start by adding a few elements to your canvas. You can bring in text, images, icons, or shapes, anything you want to stack. On the left side, choose the type of element you need. Add a headline, drop in a photo, or place a simple shape as a background accent. Think about the story of your layout as you add items. For example, a background image might sit at the very back. A colored shape can help with contrast, and text will usually be near the top so it's legible. Next, click the element you want to manage. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box around it, which confirms you're working with the right item. If something is hard to click because it's hidden, try selecting the visible element above it first. Then change the order so you can reach the one beneath. With your element selected, look to the right panel and choose Arrange. This is where you control the stacking order. If you don't see Arrange, make sure the element is selected. The right panel updates based on your selection. Now choose how you want to adjust its position in the stack. Bring to front places the selected element above every other element, making it the topmost layer. Send to back moves it behind everything else, ideal for background shapes or images. Move forward nudges the element up one layer at a time, while move backward steps it down one layer. Forward and backward are great when you only want to shift the element slightly relative to neighboring items without jumping all the way to the top or bottom. Repeat this process to build the exact order you want. Think of it like a deck of cards. The top card is what the viewer sees first. Keep adjusting until text is readable, images aren't obstructed, and decorative pieces support the content instead of covering it. Zoom in to check small overlaps, and preview your design to make sure the stacking feels balanced. With these Arrange controls, you can layer with precision and keep your design clean, clear, and professional.